The area I need to monitor is this slab. We're concerned that it could go down, left, right, or more importantly down onto the rescue crew. So we simply use the 2 carabiners and the slip lock. The slip lock allows this attachment to be made longer or shorter. In this scenario, I wanted to monitor it roughly in that position. We just slide it down first, put it in the position we want, and then we secure it to anywhere on the top, choke it around a piece of material, whatever, just to restrain it. We then put the WASP onto the unit, set the WASP, and then we simply lower it into position. Once it's in position, again, it'll take, like with all scenarios, 10, 15, 20 seconds to calibrate. We make sure the unit's calibrated by watching the lights flash until they go off. In this scenario, it may take a little longer. It's just calibrated now because it's at an angle and we've actually pushed it down. You have to complete this whole process within about 45 seconds to get the unit to calibrate. The WASP is now armed. If this slab moves any direction, and the unit will alarm. To reset it, simply bring the unit back up. Obviously have a look what's happened to the slab, reset it, slide it down into position, and again leave it during its calibration phase. To find out more, go to wasprescue.com or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.